Hey guys, come back to the channel. Listen, I haven't done a sewing or anything in so long. I'm like, I love it. I need to still dip the braids in hot water, that's why they're a bit stiff. I'm thinking I need to cover this track here. I can't really be bothered, so yeah. This tutorial we are basically going to be going over these freestyle braids in the front. I was going to record my sewing bit, but it was my first time doing the sewing again, and honestly it was getting late. There was people in the house downstairs. I just wanted to get it done. I hadn't ate all day. It was like 6 o'clock by this point, so I did it. I hope it looks alright. It looks right from the front. I don't know about the back. You guys tell me. I've not even checked it. Like, comment and subscribe. Share it with whoever needs to see this, and yeah, enjoy the video. Listen, I might not be doing these in-depth tutorials for much longer. 2026, we're going to be trying to vlog a bit more and do all of that stuff, so follow me on Instagram for more information for one-to-one hair coaching, and we'll see you in the video. Enjoy, have a lovely new year.
Yeah, okay,
Thought I did that chopper like I see you, boy.
Look, me the verse you and you know they picking. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for to room shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on, I stand my teeth. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you up, I'm like, ooh, child, cool down, too hot, too wild, new clear, new style. How you fuck with me? Girl, give me one shot and I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots and I'm shaking this ass. Give me 3 shots and I'm ready to fuck. 5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm sending on business, I'm ready about it. Bitch be talking, pop be big in they pockets. Girl, tell me about it. I'm litty, I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm shitting on bitches in every department. This ass is heavy and thick like peanut butter. Bitches jelly about it. A lot of winning, a lot of scoring here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here. These bitches all losers. And they can't do it's not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that pussy. Said it was regular, everybody can see me in fashion, can see me with money. These bitches is bugging. Either these bitches is blind or I'm invisible. Bitch can't see me at night. When I hop out with stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on, I see my eyes linking up. I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you up.
just like that, we're at the end of the video. Sorry for my crusty voice, I just woke up. Anyways, if you guys want to see me do the sewing in a more in-depth tutorial, just let me know and I can do that for you guys. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.